Okay, been seeing some issues with people being unable to get into the Phantom ecosystem because of Binance being with shutting down their withdrawals. Now I'm sure that people won't have an issue getting on now, but I just wanted to go through myself and explore some of the stuff with multi-chain and bridging over. Now I know Binance has their bridge and Matic has theirs, but I figured that Phantom deserves a little attention too because the ecosystem's really been thinned out and it's EVM compatible just like the rest of them. So um, the point is that when I use the Phantom bridge, I found out after the fact that I may not have used this multi-chain DApp as efficiently. So we're going to step through together and we're going to see what the costs of moving USDC are. So I generally have done it where I select it up top and then I swap over. Now, let's look at our limits. Our swap fee is going to be 0. So let's see what our gas fee is. Much cheaper. Much cheaper. Not bad. All right. Should be good to go. Over to SpookySwap, and you can enjoy some of their UX too, because I haven't done this on my desktop yet. Now it's going to add Phantom. I'm sure BSC is used to this, but for anybody who's new, this is a lot easier than a couple of years ago. Now, let's see if we load our balance. There we go. And you could begin trading or farming and staking. And I gave us an example via SpookySwap. So, not bad to get on board. We're going to do another video later with getting off the ecosystem after we have some fun. But until then, stay safe. This is not an endorsement or financial advice in any way. I'm just showing you guys estimates and transaction costs and just how the whole process of how you go about things. Any questions, of course, just leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe. And again, I'm not endorsing any of these platforms. Please do not use this as financial advice or as a direction of what to do in this ecosystem. Always do your own research and yeah, cultivate a good understanding and you can have fun.